Figure 18.7 is a figure which depicts the results of a stakeholder mapping exercise to try and understand the importance of different parts of the coastline in Wales in the UK in terms of the leisure and tourism activities that are conducted there. So when we talk about the ecosystem goods and services provided by the marine environment, leisure pursuits which benefit well-being, help us relax, stimulate our intellects, improve our health by the activities that we undertake. These are all services provided by the marine environment to human society. To gather such information independently can be extremely onerous, requiring many hours of direct observation and perhaps provides patchy coverage. A perhaps more efficient way of doing this is to ask expert stakeholders that represent different groups, in this case from the leisure and tourism industry, and to ask them to identify discrete areas of the sea where they know activities to happen, and to rank those areas according to how important they are in terms of the number of people that visit them. What you see in the picture on the left hand side of the diagram are the cells coloured to differing degrees. The darker they are, the greater the percentage of the stakeholder group that was polled that indicated that that area of the sea was important for leisure and tourism. If you like, what we've ended up with is a heat map of leisure and tourism activities around the coast. The central map is a spatial statistic which enables us to understand to what extent there is agreement between adjacent cells in terms of the responses that we gain from stakeholders. And in the right hand map, this is a statistical significance result which shows us where there are significant clusters of cells or areas on the map that show similar levels of importance in terms of their importance to the leisure and tourism industry. So if you like, this provides an objective way to inform spatial management measures in terms of where, for example, if you're in the government, you might prioritise funding for leisure and tourism activities around coastal communities.